The emergence of the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, IoT, is the collection of technologies that enable the connection of various devices to the Internet. The technological evolution associated with the advent of the IoT is changing commercial and consumer environments. IoT technologies enable people to connect billions of devices to the Internet. These devices include appliances, locks, motors, and entertainment devices, to name just a few. This technology affects the amount of data that needs protection. Users access these devices remotely, which increases the number of networks requiring protection. With the emergence of IoT, there is much more data to be managed and secured. All of these connections, plus the expanded storage capacity and storage services offered through the cloud and virtualization, has led to the exponential growth of data. This data expansion created a new area of interest in technology and business called big data.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly by our social platforms. Thanks for watching.